Hey, it's me, again, after over a month of not posting a video. But I'm here now. Anyway, I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but here I am. Though I've said it many times before, I hope my posting will be more consistent, and hopefully this time I actually will. But we'll see how that goes. I took a bit of a break, but I'm back and I have so many things planned. I think this is the first time I'm wearing my glasses in a video. I was just too lazy to put in my contacts. There are a lot of things coming up, so stay tuned. Now that we're nearing the school year, I'm going to be posting a lot more schooling specific content. Obviously the goal of this channel is to spread serial education, but now that we're getting into the school year, I especially feel like I should be posting some videos about learning and education. If that's not your jam, I'm sorry. But like I said, there are some new exciting things coming up, or at least exciting for me. Hopefully you too. So stick around. I kind of just disappeared for a while, but I'm back. Also, we passed 200 subscribers, which is super cool. Thank you to each and every one of you guys, and let's keep going. If you haven't already subscribed, there's a red button down below. And if you're glad to have me back, press that like button. Or even if you're not, you could still press the like button. Just saying. So yeah, stick around if you want to see some of these updates and fun new things that will be happening here on Homeschooler Goes Public. I'm AJ and I'll see you later. Bye. Blooper! What do I even normally do in videos? I feel like summer just started and suddenly there's only a few more weeks before school. I don't know if I'm just lagging or maybe I'm tripping up. I don't know. So, I'm alive. Hey, it's me again. Hey, it's me. Hey, it's me again. So, I'm alive. That's fun. I think this is the first time I've worn my glasses in a video.